Hello people, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can enable the suggested streamer option on Kik. Welcome to how to log in. Let's go ahead and start the video. Open the Kik Messenger app on your phone. If you don't have it, you can easily download and install it from the Play Store. So open the Kik Messenger app, and if you have an account, you can go ahead and click on the three dot or the app icon or the profile picture icon on the top right hand corner. After you do so, you can go to chat settings. Then you can see the live suggested streamer option is currently turned off. If you want to enable the suggested streamer option, go ahead and turn this button, and there you go. You have now enabled the suggested streamer. So if you go back, and you can see the suggested streamer will be shown over here on the chat option. So you can go back and you can see some of the suggested streamer being shown. You can join them quite easily. It's quite easy to turn this off as well. All you need to do is go to your profile, click on chat settings, and turn off the live suggested streamer. If you also want to turn off the promotions, you can do that as well. And if you go back, you can see no promotions and suggested streamer will be shown. I hope this video about how you can enable the suggested streamer on Kik was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.